So now we've got our sections labeled on our plan, we need to transfer the sections down to the cross-sections grid. And you can see they're already labeled with 10 and 20 feet to the left and to the right of the center line as represented by this vertical line. And you can see that I'm only doing cross-sections at 4 stations. So at 11 plus 0, 0, 13 plus 0, 0, 17 plus 0, 0, and 19 plus 0, 0. So let's go ahead to here to 11. And you notice that I need to regenerate. So I'm actually just going to make a little text box. I'm just going to put in some values so that I get my text box. Because remember when you generate, remember when you first change the text height in a text box, it makes it super, super large, and that's not real. Okay, so at -20, -10, 0, 10, and 20 feet from the center line. Remember, this is solely sort of scrap paper. Generate. All right, so I know that this is 121 and this is 122, so I am going to guess. There is a real way to do this. It is described in chapter 14 and summarized in your instructions, but I am not requiring you to do this because I just don't want you to spend that much time on it. So at the center line, I'm going to say, see, this would be 21.5, so I would say it's 121.3, and then -10, because remember, it's to the left as the stations are advancing. So if this is 121 and this is 121, then in the middle is actually 120. So I would say this is 121.5. Same thing here. So this is actually, oh, this would be 120.5, and this would be 120.0. On the right-hand side, again, this is 122, this is 121. If this is 0.5, I would call that 121.4. And then if this is 0.5, I would call that 121.25. Just guessing. Okay, so that's my 1100. I'm going to go ahead and just drag this down to over here so that I can see it. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw my polyline on the -20. Change my snaps. So at -20 on the left-hand side is 120 even. So we do want intersection. So that is going to be there. And then I'm going to be 120.5. Remember, this is existing ground. I'm on the wrong layer. And then 121.3, 121.4, and 121.25. Take off the snap. You can go to there. All right, so this is my existing ground, and now I'm basically going to do that again for all of the rest of these sections. You're going to go ahead and offset that 300 feet. just like that. I'm going to isolate both these layers and then get on the hatch layer. And I'm going to make it earth. (1000" there, and 50% transparency. And there we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and delete these and undo everything. And now we've done the existing ground.